Hey, what's up people? Martin Unix here, and today I'm going to bring you another educative session. That is, I'm going to show you on how to do infinity braid bun, a 2-section infinity braid bun. So guys, this is the way to go about it. I've already done my crown, as you can see, and I've just secured my log strands at the center, that is ponytail, and I'm going to subdivide the strands into 2 sections because I'm going to do 2-section infinity braid bun. I hope guys you're going to learn with me. These are my 2 sections. By the touch you can feel the sections of equal volume. Now this is the way to go about it, guys. Let's start with this section, guys. Now you subdivide the section into 2 sections. That is, I promised to show you on how to do infinity braid bun. That is a 2-section infinity braid bun. Unlike the other infinity braid bun that we did previously on my channel, we did a diminishing infinity braid bun, whereby it started with 3 sections, 2 sections, then 1 section at the end. Now today we are going to do 2 sections. That's how you do it, guys. You pick 1 strand, roll it over, creating a finger 8 shape, that is at the bottom, and repeat the sequence all through. Hope my beginners can learn something. I'm trying to be slow. That's the way to go about it. Pick a strand, secure the ending tip, roll the strand over and hunter, create a finger 8 shape. Repeat the same all through. That is, guys, if a strand ends this side, you pick a strand from this side, secure it that way. That way, guys. It's kind of repetition. You lay down the tip here, pick another strand from this section, secure the ending tip that way. It's kind of repetition, guys. Now this time round, our strand ends this side. Pick a strand here, secure the ending tip like that, then continue with the journey like that, and that's the way to go about it, guys. Now I'm going to try and do it a little bit faster. So for those who would like to know more about this infinity braid bun, you can go on back on my channel, expose the beads as well. You can go back on my channel and have a look on the video about the infinity braid bun, that is the diminishing infinity braid bun, and how it was done. So upon reaching this particular area, guys, we are going to finish off using a single section. That is, we are going to do a barrel roll just to secure the tips neatly. That's how to go about it, guys. That's the hand. Then I'm gonna use yarn to secure the tips. This is our 2-section infinity braid section. You can see. Now we are going to do this section as well as this one. Now we have done the remaining section, guys, the same as this one. Now you can see we have 2 infinity braid sections. I'm going to show you on how to secure the bun using these 2 infinity braid sections. And I hope you can see me clearly, guys. Let me turn around a little bit. And I'm going to start with this section here. Just pick this section, try and tilt the bottom to a certain angle, then lie down the tip under the other section, the remaining section, that is. Then upon reaching this point, guys, you just tuck it in that way, guys. Then you pick the remaining section, that is this section, guys. Just try and tilt it a little bit to bring that flavor on our style. Secure the previous tip from the first section using the final section. That way, guys. Then when you're reaching this end, guys, you tuck it in here. That way, guys. You see. Then you can mold your style. You can try and mold your style to your desired look. That is. Now I'm gonna secure the infinity braid firmly, because I want our style to hiyo motorbike imeingia ndani. Now since I'm done with my bun, that is the infinity braid bun, I'm going to try and secure the bottom tightly using yarn. That is this where our final section has ended. So I'm going to secure using yarn just to give our style a longer time. That way, guys. And this is our final look, guys. You can see it's a captivating look. It's very enjoyable. It's a nice style, guys. You can also do it on your wedding You can choose this as your wedding style. It's a nice one. I hope my tutorial has been educative, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly like my work, comment positively, share, and let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you, guys.